last days off. Went to test out the 4-wheel drive. That had a cracked vacuum line, so we're back. Wish me luck. Let's do this. Oh, she's greasy. Greasy, greasy. Ooh, I think I got 4-wheel drive.
I was looking out for my happiness while you were
All right, we're getting a little flexy here. All right, let's do this. Woo! Two-wheel drive test. Okay, so that's two-wheel drive. No, I've got that. Check this out. What are we doing here? Woo! We got 4-wheel drive, baby! Oh, I'm so stoked right now, and she is soft. Where you at? Oh, I'm so stoked right now. Truck's finally back. New motor, 4-wheel drive finally works. Empty beach. Should be a fun time exploring. What's up, bro? What's your deal? Let's go explore. Got myself in a bit of a pickle here. Drove up here to do a little bit of exploring, and there's a big whatchamacallit down there that I can't get through. So I'm gonna go back up here, but I can't really get down this thing right now. So I'm just making my own little path right now. Truck's got some mad flex going on though. Oh yeah. Should be easy enough. Okay, well, let's get her going, eh? I think I can drive a bit. Ooh!